In this video, we will be showing you how to remove your Volvo ECU. This video covers these specific Volvo models that incorporate the 5-cylinder turbo B5254T5 front-wheel drive, B5254T12 all-wheel drive, and B5254T12 front-wheel drive. Your Volvo ECU is located under this plastic airbox cover. This plastic lid slides on a channel. You can remove this cover by simply sliding up. Here you can see the wiring harness and connector. To remove the harness connector, push the release tabs and lift both red levers shown here. Using a Torx 30, remove the 4 Torx screws holding the ECU to the plastic housing. There are other Torx screws, but they are different sizes. The good news is your Torx bit will only fit into the ones that need to be removed. To gain access to the 2 lower Torx bolts, some models may require you to remove the headlight and plastic intake tube to gain better access to those 2 lower bolts. Once the 4 Torx bolts have been removed, you can pull the ECU away from the plastic housing. There is a rubber O-ring that sits in a channel behind the ECU. If it falls out, simply secure it back in the plastic channel. Here is a good visual of where the 4 Torx 30 screws are located. Your ECU is now ready to package and ship to IPD.